I've been looking at doing this for a little while, but I didn't want to do it because I didn't want to get in trouble, but now the camera's out, so we're picking up my new street bike. This is what I say to the haters.
This one has 0 miles.
Okay, so I gotta break everything in.
Yeah, put at least 100 miles before you really get on it.
Okay. She's pretty, ain't she? You guys like it? See you, Pat. So the bike we just picked up from Suzuki is one of 2 bikes that I'll be getting this year. One is a loaner, which means that I pick it up at the beginning of the year, return it at the end of the year. So I'll probably use that one, the one that I'm borrowing for the street. This one is one that I'm keeping, and I'll turn this into a track day bike. I think I need one to ride on the street, so that way I can go do bike nights and any other random stuff that we want to do some street videos. Okay, so the exhaust that we're getting, hopefully, is the Alpha TFS Thai Works Finish. $2,200. No. The Mac Daddy exhaust. If you want to be a badass riding around on the streets, you buy this exhaust. I may not have paid for it, but that's what I ordered. We are here. We're at Yoshimura Racing. I'm gonna go put on my exhaust. Hopefully I don't drop my bike unloading it. That's scary. This is Hans. Hans drives the semi-truck and cooks all the luscious food that we eat on the weekends. Luscious. Gives us that good living. Like that? That's very pretty good, huh? This is the new aerodynamic mirrors. You just turn the mirror. This is the Spaniard's mechanic. Go meet my mechanics, Jimmy and Frenchie. This is Frenchie. This is Jimmy, the other mechanic. He's also an electrician for the shop. I've been looking at doing this for a little while, but I didn't want to do it because I didn't want to get in trouble, but now the camera's out, so do it. So full systems aren't in stock, so we're putting slip-on first. Alpha T. Is this the same one? Oh, this is a different one. This one's sweet. This is like the one on the race bike, right? Yes. Sweet. So this is the bike that we just got. They're the same model. This one Suzuki let me borrow before I signed my contract. I'm gonna help take the wheels off. They're gonna change tires for me, put them back to stock tires, turn this thing, and then we'll start building this bad boy. I gotta make sure that when Jimmy's working on the bike, I stay really close to him because I gotta watch over his work sometimes.
Do you know what you're doing here?
No. I just pulled the axle out before I pulled the calipers off. Tires going the wrong direction. It's my direction. Thank you.
Okay, hey, welcome to Yoshimura Racing History Museum. Start with this one. This is the 1998 TL-1000R. Ridden by Steve Crevier. And then the next one we will roll over to is the 1999 GSX-R 750. Matt Milladin won his first championship on. 2003 GSX-R 1000. That was the first year that it went from 750 to 1000 cc's for inline 4 cylinders. Then this is the 2006 GSX-R 1000 that Ben Spies won his first championship on. Old school pneumatic front stand that we used back in the day in the Daytona 200. This is a 2000 GSX-R 750 that was ridden by Matt Milladin and won championship that year. Our last vintage bike is 2008 GSX-R1000 ridden by Ben Spies for the championship.
Disclaimer, this Yoshimura exhaust that we're putting on my race bike is for the track only. It's like Christmas. Stickers mean horsepower, bro. If you want to be featured on my next month's video, how to get laid at the track even if you're slow, take a look at the stock exhaust and see what we're swapping out for here. Well, bam! Okay guys, stock GSX-R1000R. Start up, let's see how she sounds. As you can tell, she's pretty quiet. Purrs like a kitty. Well, it's pretty quiet. I'm ready to put that Yoshimura exhaust on. What do you think? This whole thing stays on, but it doesn't really connect until it gets to there. That's a lot of pipe to be shoved in there.
That's what she said.
Should I start it before I put this on? That's the new Yoshimura pipe. Alright, got the Yosh pipe on now. Fire her up and see what she sounds like. Woo-hoo! Time to bring this bad girl home in my Toyota Escondido Tundra. We got this thing loaded back up. Gonna go bring it back to Suzuki, say goodbye to it since I got my beautiful brand new bike now. Alright guys, we're back at Suzuki, dropping off the loaner bike. Got everything pretty much finished up today. Thank you to Frenchie and Jimmy for helping out today, get that thing ready. If it wasn't for them, it would have taken probably a week. I definitely wouldn't have made my track day this weekend. I give those guys a lot of shit, you know, during the day, but at the end of the day, I realize how much they help. So thank you to you guys. Thought about doing a video where we kind of make fun of track day guys. Things track day guys say. Maybe we'll do that. Let me know what you think. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Leave a comment below. Let me know what you think. Things you might think would be cool to be in it. And see you next time.
Fight back.